Hi, hello everyone. My name is Chukli. Today I will talk about the danger of the plastic pollution affecting human, animal, and the environment. We are producing over 300 million tons of plastic every year, 50% of which is for single-use purpose, using for just a few moments. But on the planet, for at least several hundred years, we need to be aware of this danger. The government has acted aggressively to prevent the overuse plastic item until a project of the waste disposal. Based on research document and evidence I have gathered from the released April Scientist Journal about the harmful effect using plastic. They are scouts the negative human health and ecosystem. Today, I will give the evidence to show that the pollution plastic harmful to the environment, human, and animal life. We need to do something to protect the planet and everyone on it. The three main topics I will discuss are the first one, what is pollution plastic and how it's harmful. The second, why this problem has to solve. The three, what we can do to reduce the pollution plastic. Plastic pollution is simply any piece of the plastic in a plate that it not should be. While solving the problem of plastic pollution, it seems as easy as just recycling or cleaning up the empty bottle. But the truth is the plastic causing the pollution can range in the size from the big to the microscopic. While the larger plastic makes the white fly become the entangled, the smaller plastics is more dangerous when they mistake it their food. Over 260 species, including the invertebrate, turtles, fish, seabirds, and mammals, have been reported in the inject or become entangled in the plastic debris. Because that, the animals are stuck and cannot move due to reproductive output, getting the injured, infection, and finally die. And now the scientists find out the microplastic everywhere in the fish, oil, soil, table shore, and 93% in the bottled water. Because of the plastic cannot biodegrade, it just breaks down into the smaller and smaller pieces. Though of the small pieces plastic have the chance to extract the chemical from dedicated of the industry and agriculture, like magnet. There are many plants and plankton mistake it a food to eat. Like the food strain, another bigger aquatic animal will eat that plant and plankton. Once ingested by the aquatic animal, these toxins are released from the plastic species. They carry in the bloodstream and stored in the tissue of them. And finally, when the humans eat that seafood, they also consume all of the toxin and the plastic into the body. So, moreover, plastic causes boil our groundwater, burying the beneath of thousand landfill in the United States. The toxic chemical from the plastic ran out the sieve into the groundwater and they flow in the downstream into the lake and the rivers. Toxic chemical leaks out of the plastic and they fall into the blood and the tissue of nearly of the human. It's harmful to the human health, called cancer, the birth defect, impaired immunity, and other ailments. It's causing our habit many years. We use more the plastic than ever because it is cheap to reduce, durable, and conveniency. That's why the people overuse the item in the world today. We need to knowledge to harmful the effect of the plastic, and we should to connect to the community, work together to ask the government to pay more money to prevent the pollution from plastic. We can deal with the 4 R's to rethink. The first R, refuse, say no to single-use plastic products. 2R, the second R, reduce, carry a refillable water bottle, use the stainless steel straw, bring the refillable shopping bags, and reduce any item from the plastic if you can. And the third R, reuse, refill a plastic water or the soda bottle. The 4R, cycle, certify the cycling your rubber. So we left to volunteer to clean up the plastic straws at the beach or rivers. And we can donation to support the environment to rotation the organization or online. I have some link for you here. Please join in hands and sharing it in your social media. It will help our Mother Earth getting better. Today, I gave the evidence to show the pollution, plastic harmful to the environment, human, and the animal life. The three main topics I discussed are what is pollution plastic and how it's harmful, why this problem has to solve, and what we can do to reduce the pollution plastic. They are just a simple individual activity in daily, but it will spread wild to the world at the butterfly effect. The result we get that is unbelievable. So if we want to raise a beautiful planet, we can start from those simple action today. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye.